Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg, the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama. I want to talk about that situation in a workers' compensation case when the injured employee receives long-term or short-term disability payments during the time that you're pursuing the workers' compensation case, and a letter is sent to the employee letting the employee know that there is a right of reimbursement or subrogation from that workers' comp case by the short-term or long-term disability insurance carrier. It can be a confusing situation, but let me set the scenario. A person pursues a workers' compensation case after being hurt on the job. Initially, the insurance company or the employer denies the claim. Thankfully, the employee has short or long-term disability that they can apply for, and they do, and those funds are received. And payment is made over a weekly or monthly basis, depending on the contract. And so the injured employee has got some money coming in, even though the workers' compensation case is being denied and being pursued. Sometime during that time period, the workers' compensation case is either settled or they start paying on that, and you bring that case to a settlement of some sort. Inevitably, the long-term or short-term disability carrier is going to send a letter, because it's going to be in that contract, that says, if you receive workers' compensation benefits of any sort, please let us know. We have the right to know about this as part of your right to receive benefits. Because later on, if you receive a settlement or receive workers' compensation funds, we have the right to be paid back, so to speak. What happens? Well, most of those contracts have that. Alabama law enforces that. So the employee needs to be knowledgeable about, at the end of a workers' compensation case, if they get that letter, they likely are going to have to reimburse or pay back the money that they received. It's called subrogation. We have other videos in this series that address subrogation, but it's very important that the injured worker understand about how this works. It can be confusing, it can be a stressful situation, and it's also very much different situation from a person who receives Social Security disability benefits. I'm not talking about that. That's an offset. That's a completely different legal issue that we've addressed in other videos here. This scenario is strictly when an injured worker receives short or long-term disability payments, and then the company sends them a letter, puts them on notice of their right to be reimbursed if they receive workers' compensation benefits. If you have this scenario, please give us a call. We'll be glad to talk you through it and see how we can help you. 205-930-6900 is our office number. nomberglaw.com is our website. Subscribing to our channel will ensure that you get future videos as they come out.